Cal Poly attracts exceptional students who are highly motivated to excel in their careers.
I was an undergraduate student at Cal Poly and wanted to come back to San Luis Obispo because of the nature.
There are so many things to do in a place surrounded by hills and the Pacific Ocean.
The focus on teaching is a perfect match for the nice environment of San Luis Obispo, when it's okay to go outside and have some fun and it's not just about work.
I enjoy spending my time hiking, biking, wandering around downtown, ringing the bells at the mission, and reading by the creek.
The weather in San Luis Obispo is just amazing. Everybody's happy inside and outside the class.
I would describe life here as slow and sweet.
There are so many places to bike, hike, and spend quality time with your loved ones.